Hi guys, I put this wooden kit together while I was on holiday. We're home now and I've just been looking at the junk on the table and I've got this bump and go chassis, I suppose you could call it. It's missing the top end. I did actually put one of my Grandad logos on it so we could drive around and bump into things. But I was thinking that might fit under there with a bit of modification. Not a lot, but a bit. This bit will actually slide out all the way with a bit of help. Come on, out you come. Oh, I know, it's sticking with those bits under there. Yeah. All right, I'll have to work on that to get them out of the way. But this thing should be able to fit it under there, one way round or the other. It really doesn't matter which way round it goes, to be honest. Although it's got lights on the front, I suppose. So we could get it to go that way round. The wheels will just fit between the tracks, but we will have to cut some of these supports out the way, I think. That's our bump and go module. Just a bit of hot glue to hold it in place. I've adjusted it so we've only got about a tiny bit of clearance, so it doesn't look too bad. And I've actually put one of my lithium-ion batteries in there. Just one 14500, so that gives us 4 volts instead of 2 AA batteries giving us 3 volts. So it'll be just that little bit more powerful, because I tried it with them and it was struggling. I haven't tried it with the lithium-ion battery yet. We'll find out whether it makes it go any better. I suspect we might be struggling with dust on the floor, reducing the grip. As you can see, I changed the wheels because I needed ones that would fit inside the available space. And they only hold it upright, they don't actually have to grip or anything. So we'll give it a little run. It does light up, but I don't know if it'll be dark enough to actually see it. That was a good start in the wrong direction. It's going to get stuck on the carpet. Yeah. determined to get on the carpet. Alright, I think we got the general idea. So, it works. We have a bump and go, whatever it was called a chariot. That's probably something in the translation, I expect. Yeah, job done. Just in case you're not familiar with the 14500 lithium-ion batteries, 14500, 14 is the diameter and 50 is the length, and the O indicates it's a cylindrical battery. If it was a flat battery, it'd have numbers. So it'd be 14, where are we? 1450, so 14 diameter, 50 long, and then the 0 at the end. If it's just a 0, it's a cylindrical battery. If it's a number, then it'll be the width or the height. So you'd have you'd have width, length, and height in millimeters. So it'd be 1450, and then maybe 10 if it was 10 millimeters high. But if it's a cylinder, then it's just a 0 at the end there. 2,800 milliamp hour, 3.7 volts, freshly charged 4.2 volts. So 4.2 volts from that one, as opposed to, you'd get a little bit more than 1.5 volts when they're absolutely fresh, maybe 1.6, so 3.2 volts maybe. So you're getting more power out of that one than you are out of those two. And then that yellow thing is a dummy battery. It's just a straight through, because you don't want to put two of them in there. That would give you 8 volts and that would fry it straight away. So one of them and a straight through dummy, and that gives you the, so say about 4.2 volts freshly charged, and it rather likes that. So I could actually demonstrate that, couldn't I? Hold that on there, hold that on there. Yeah, we're down to 3.93 volts, 3.94. And if we go across the AA batteries, .89 at the moment. So, like I say, significantly more from the lithium-ion battery. But don't be tempted to put 2 in to replace 2 AA's, because you just burn out whatever's in there. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.